Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up deposit paper money on Cash App. To begin, let me explain what depositing paper money on Cash App means. It allows you to take physical cash to a participating store and add that amount to your Cash App balance. There is a $1 fee for each transaction, so be aware of that before you start. First, you need to ensure that this feature is available on your account. Open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Support. At the bottom of the support page, tap on Chat and ask the support team to confirm whether the paper money deposit feature is enabled for your account. If the feature isn't enabled, they can assist you with unlocking it. Once the feature is activated, go back to the Cash App home screen. Scroll down on the money screen and you should see an option labeled Paper Money Deposit. Tap on this option and a map will appear showing all nearby participating locations. You can use the map to find a store near you. Once you select a location, the app will generate a unique barcode. Take this barcode with you to the store, either on your phone or print it out. At the store, let the cashier know that you want to add money to your Cash App balance. Show them the barcode and hand over the amount of cash you'd like to deposit. The cashier will scan the barcode and the money will be added to your Cash App balance instantly, minus the $1 fee. For example, if you hand over $20, your balance will increase by $19. The app will also show you an updated balance immediately after the transaction is completed. There are a few important limits to keep in mind. You can deposit up to $1,000 in a 7-day period, with a maximum of $4,000 in 30 days. Each transaction must be at least $5, and you cannot deposit more than $500 in a single transaction. Some stores may also ask for ID verification to process the deposit. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Set Up Deposit Paper Money on Cash App problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.